Are you considering starting a trucking company? If so, consider taking the following steps. Doing so can help you begin making money in the transportation sector ASAP. First, you'll need to create a business plan for your new trucking company. Every business plan serves as a roadmap towards money-making success, but don't put too much pressure on yourself. You can adjust the plan as your business grows. Having a solid business plan will get you organized, set your goals, and define your value proposition if you are seeking investors. Step 2 is to establish your company in a legal manner. There are many trucking businesses registered as corporations or LLCs. LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. Having an LLC can ensure that you have legal boundaries between your business liabilities and your personal assets. This way, you can protect your personal property at all times. Plus, there are some other business, tax, and legal benefits associated with forming an LLC or corporation. The next step is to secure licensing and permits for your new trucking company. Your business must receive certain registration from federal, state, county, and local governments. The exact licenses and permits that you need are going to be vary based on your location and services that your company will provide. In most cases, you must receive official registration for each truck at your business through the FMCSA, Motor Carrier Safety Administration. Common trucking permits include a US DOT number, MC number, IRP credentials, and an IFTA decal, but you do not have to go through the FMCSA to receive these permits. Instead, the third-party experts here at FMCSAregistration.com can provide you with this registration. Then you can move on to step 4, which is to purchase a truck and trucking equipment for your business. It is crucial for your new trucking company to use the right supplies. Having proper equipment can serve as the key difference between failure and success of a business. Depending on your budget, you'll need to decide whether it's better to lease or buy a truck and equipment. Once you have a truck, you can move to the next step of receiving trucking insurance coverage. Take your time when contacting various insurance agencies so that you can get the best premium. Chances are you will need primary liability insurance, cargo insurance, physical damage insurance, and passenger accident insurance. Now that the logistics of your company are set up, you can knock out step 6 and locate freight loads to grow your trucking business. This way, you can make money transporting goods right away. The key here is to use online load boards to help you find new customers. Then, and hopefully many of them will become your long-term clients. The 7th and final step of how to start a trucking company is to maintain compliance with the government. This means that you have to stay up to date on all your FMCSA and Department of Transportation regulations. After all, there are many time-sensitive filing requirements for U.S. trucking businesses. Failing to follow government regulations could lead to harsh financial penalties and even the dissolution of your business. Here at FMCSAregistration.com, we help to keep thousands of trucking companies in compliance with federal and state governments each year. Our experts encourage you to browse our website using the link below to check out all the services that we provide. Plus, you're welcome to give us a call right now at 866-477-0707 for help starting your trucking company with the right permits and registration. Sure, there's a lot of complicated paperwork involved with starting a trucking company, but through our organization, we can position your new business for lasting success.